Hi everyone. This is Gulshan Asif. Hope you guys are doing great. So this is my next voice video and the topic for today is all about how to make yourself calm and have a peaceful mind. Before getting into the topic, I'd like to really make sure that my dear friends, I'm not a kind of psychologist or someone who really teach people how to make themselves really calm, but still I am sharing with you these very basic things which I follow in my life to make myself calm and to have a peaceful life. And let's get into the topic. My dear friends, we really live in a really hustle and bustle life where we really not get any kind of time to spend for ourselves. We really think a lot. We are chasing for the so-called money and well-being as it is very much needed. But of all, we have to take care of ourselves, right? To really stay calm and have a peaceful life, you have to first eliminate the negative thoughts in you. To eliminate the negative thoughts, these are certain things which I follow in my life. The first thing is you have to love yourself. You have to keep your heart so warm. Only if you love yourself, you can be positive enough and spread positivity everywhere. The next thing is you have to appreciate yourself. You have to show gratitude on yourself as well as the people who help you a lot. Once you start appreciating yourself, you will really feel that confident in you, whereas you can never bring the negativity in yourself and you'll lose your calmness or where you lose your peacefulness. For each and everything I do, I follow the strategy where it includes curiosity, determination, excitement, and passion. For even a very small work you do, you should really have the curiosity in whatever you work. You should have a determined mind. You should really have that excitement factor in whatever work you do. The next thing is you should have the passion in whatever work you do. Unless or until you have these four things in your mind, you can never do your work peacefully. Only when you do your work in a peaceful way, you will get a fruitful result, whereas it can make your mind very calm and peaceful. The next thing is you really have to have a flexible mind. Flexible mind in sense, you really have to get adapted to whatever work you do. When you start thinking on certain things where you will be continuously concentrating on certain negative things, you will just get stuck upon it and you will never get deviated to do whatever work you wanted to do, and that is where you lose your peacefulness and the way where you lose to be yourself very calm. The next is you really have to be very confident in whatever work you do. Okay, once you get confident enough, you will really have a positive attitude where you can be peaceful enough in best ever way you can. You really have to be cheerful enough where you can actually be ready enough to do whatever task you are assigned with or whatever task you really wanted to be. You actually have to set your goals and set your routines where you will have a kind of you'll really have a kind of life where you'll have so many goals and so many aims to do with, where you can actually eliminate the negative things you have. You should really notice the internal judgment where you will really realize where you have done mistake or which kind of flaws you're doing, so that you can rectify and lead a successful life. Of all, my dear friends, you really have to spend time with your family. Family is only the place where you can find the best calmness and the best peacefulness wherever you go. If you are really a God-loving person, pray to the max. Okay, the very simplest way to stay calm and to be peaceful is like you have to listen a lot of songs. The very simple way which I do follow in my life to just get deviated in all this hustle and bustle of life is to just listen good quality music which makes me happy enough. So these are certain basic things which I really follow to push up my negativity, to make myself calm and composed. I guess this video would really be useful to you in some possible way, a little bit. And with this note, thank you everyone for spending your valuable time and listening to my video.